Ray, thank you so much for your time and speaking to Voice of America here in Washington, D.C. First of all, tell us about this pre-season that you're doing here in America. What should Arsenal fans across North America expect from Arsenal this time?
Well, I'm sure they're very excited to see the club. We come here last year as well, and the stadiums were so busy with supporters, so we come back again. Some really good games as well, MLS All-Stars, and then we play Manchester United, which is always a big game, Arsenal, Manchester United and Barcelona. But they'll be looking forward to see the new signings, Declan Rice, Kai Havertz and Timber. So it's going to be an interesting tour, and this is a very important time for any footballer. Pre-season is very, very important that you get up to speed before the Premier League starts, and hopefully they can have a really good season and a good pre-season before.
Last season, you almost won it. What would you tell your fans here in America?
Well, I was very excited about last season. The atmosphere, the Emirates, has been the best it's ever been. You know, all the supporters were behind. There's a real good connection with the support. You know, from the guys, the players, and the supporters. You can see that everybody's really enjoying watching, seeing the young players, because it is a young side, how they're playing every single week. So I'm sure the guys in America as well will be really excited about next season, because Man City are a very good side. We know they won a treble, but we pushed them all the way. Just fell at that last hurdle, if you like, and hopefully we can go one better next year. Certainly with the new signings we've got, that certainly helps us give a better opportunity to maybe win that league next year.
You just mentioned new signings. You can talk of somebody like Rice, who we recently acquired. What should people expect from players like that you just brought in?
Well, he's a very experienced player now. He's played for England. You know, he knows exactly what he's got to deliver. He won his first trophy for West Ham last year, which was great, because he's coming into a team that wants to go on and win plenty of trophies. But he's a really nice guy. He's perfect for the dressing room, which is very important character-wise. And he's been skipper. He's a leader, which you need a lot of leaders all over the pitch to be successful. So he's going to be a real star going forward. He's a really good lad. I'm sure the Arsenal fans can't wait to see him on the opening day, or in America, but on the opening day against Nottingham Forest in that Premier League game.
You're here in Washington, D.C., here at the Rwandan Embassy, as part of the partnership that Arsenal has with Rwanda. Could you briefly tell us about that partnership, and what does Arsenal gain from it, and what is it that Rwanda has gotten from it?
Well, it's certainly it's sort of around the world, people see Visit Rwanda on the Arsenal shirt, and we all know football's such a big, powerful tool all around the world. So the partnership's been great from Arsenal's point of view. Rwanda, I'm sure there's been a lot more tourism going through Rwanda because of Arsenal. As we saw the numbers, the percentage is going up every year. And I've been there, and I could just say it was a wonderful place. I would never have gone to Rwanda if it wasn't for Arsenal. So I'm sure there's lots of people out there who've been to Rwanda now, would never have gone to Rwanda if they didn't see Visit Rwanda and looked into what you can see in Rwanda. So
what was your experience like for you?
Oh, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I took my daughter and my wife, and we had a really, really nice time. The greenery, we saw the gorillas, you got safari, you got a bit of everything, and we was there for 4 or 5 days, and we had a wonderful time. The people were superb, you know, the food was beautiful, you know, fresh stuff, and it was a real joy to be there. And I certainly, whenever someone asks me about Rwanda, I say you've got to go. If you've got an opportunity to go and you can go there, definitely go, because I certainly enjoyed it.
Somebody just asked you questions upstairs that do you guys really know the kind of impact you have on the society, especially a society like Rwanda, a country that came through a lot, the genocide and stuff like that. There's so many African countries that are going through that, but people get back to soccer. Tell us about the impact you think you have.
Well, football's a big, powerful tool, as I mentioned earlier. You know, around the world, it's very, very powerful. So, you know, I'm sure there's lots of African nations who support Manchester United, people support Manchester United, Liverpool, and they can bring everyone together. You know, when Liverpool play, Arsenal play, Manchester United play, everybody will be watching the game. So that's how good it is. And, you know, if we can help out supporters all around the world, not just Africa, you know, we've got lots of support in America, Australia, Asia. You know, that's how big the tool is. So Visit Rwanda, obviously it's well documented all around the world now, and I'm sure there's lots of people come from different parts of the world to come and visit Rwanda, because, you know, it's a stunning place, and as I said before, football's a very a big thing that brings everyone together.
Ray Parlour, final message to Arsenal fans across the world?
Well, hopefully we can do one better next year and win the league, but it's very exciting times at Arsenal because the manager is very good, we've got good youngsters in the team, good group of players, and things are looking very rosy for Arsenal Football Club. So keep the faith, keep supporting the team, and hopefully we can win a few trophies.
Thank you so much for finding time to speak to us.
My pleasure.